Hi guys, it's Gladys, and today I'm going to go to Mall Puri, which is flock number 6. And yeah, I just got back from the hospital, so it's pretty close, so I just go to Puri. And I'm very excited because I see my friend's flock and there's a squishy there, and oh my god. So let's go in. The restaurant, which is the weekend, and to the squishy place it's near. So yeah, let's go. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you want me to do for my next video, and share my video too. Bye guys!